Hello, Laura.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today, Laura?
I'm good.
Okay, is it your vacation? Is it your Christmas vacation now?
Yes.
Okay, so when will you go back to school?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So how about on Christmas Day? Do you have to go to school?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, anyway, so tonight, Laura, we are having a new lesson, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's begin now. All right, so our lesson for tonight is, can you read it?
Unit 48. We want to do this one day.
Okay, Unit 48. We want to do this one day. Okay, so before anything else, let's have letter A. What are your answers? One day, would you like to? Okay, so one day plus I'd like to or I'd like to plus one day is often used to mean I'd like to do this sometime in the future. So the answer must be yes or no, or yes, I'd like to do that, or no, I don't want to do that, or yes, I would, or no, I wouldn't. Okay, so for example, Laura, I'm giving you a question, okay? So you have to answer in a form like that, okay? One day, I'd like to, okay? So I will ask you, Laura, what would you like to be when you grow up?
Mm, what?
What would you like to be when you grow up? Do you like to be a doctor, a teacher? What would you like to be?
I don't know.
Why?
Mm, I don't know.
So how about okay, so if you don't know, maybe we can change the question, okay? What do you like to do in summer?
I like
Oh, you answer one day.
one day. I like to play.
You'd like to
Play.
play.
Yes.
Okay, one day I'd like to play. Mm-hmm. Can you make another sentence, please?
Um. Hmm.
What's your mm, make another sentence, Laura?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay, because you must answer a longer sentence, not one day I'd like to play. Okay? It must be one day I'd like to go to the forest and see wild animals. Or one day I'd like to climb mountains to see what's on the top. Okay, something like that. Okay, can you rephrase your sentence?
One day I like go to jungle and fishing.
Jungle to go
Fishing.
fishing. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's proceed to activity letter A. What are your answers? One day you would like to. Okay, so what do you think is picture number one? Okay, you answer by using the word one day I'd like to.
Mm, one day I like go to the Iceland.
Mm-hmm. One day I'd like to go to the island. To what?
To the
Again, one day I'd like to go to the island to.
to mm, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, because your answers are too short. You just say, one day I'd like to go to the island, and that is an incomplete answer. Okay, so for example, one day I'd like to go to the island to see what what kind of plants are there. Okay, something like that. Okay, now let's go to number two. What would you like to do, Laura?
One day I like to go to the mountain and climb in the top
Very
mountain.
good. That is correct. Okay, number three.
One day I like go to the space and look my work.
And look at my world. Yeah,
Yes.
okay, that's correct. Very good. Number four.
Mm, one day I like go to
So what place do you think is that?
desert.
This desert, okay? That is on the desert. So what do you think is the sentence for that? One day.
One day I like go to the desert and sleep. Mm, and sleep in the sand.
Okay, very good. Next, number five.
One day I like to have a wing and fly to the sky.
Okay, that I will fly in the sky. Next, number six.
I one day I like go to the new world and have a new friend.
Have a new friend. Oh, what's that friend?
Um, it's not a people.
Yes, it's an alien. Okay, next, number seven.
I one day I like go to the jungle and try a elephant and look at animal in the jungle.
Okay, very good. And last one, number eight.
One day I like walking in the jungle look uh and look waterfall.
And
Look a waterfall.
go in the waterfall. Okay, very good. So all your sentences are correct. Okay, so let's see. The first one is sail around an island. Next is climb a mountain. Next is travel to the moon. 4 is sleep under the stars. 5, fly above the clouds. 6, make friends with an alien. 7, ride on an elephant. And 8 is walk under a waterfall. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so can you read it?
One day, would you like to climb a mountain, travel to the moon, sleep under the star, fly above the cloud, make friends with an alien, ride on the elephant, walk under a waterfall? Water.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's correct. So one day, would you like to climb a mountain, travel to the moon, sleep under the stars? Okay. So, among these questions, Laura, what would you like to do one day? Would you like to travel to the moon, or would you like to make friends with an alien? What would you like to do one day?
Mm,
You can choose one. Choose one
fly
picture
about,
there.
fly
What?
about, the, fly about the cloud.
Ah, fly above the clouds. Okay,
Yes,
why would you like to fly above the clouds?
because I like.
Because you like, okay. So, oh, what will you do when you are above the clouds and you're flying? What will you do there?
I can mm, I can see my city.
Mm-hmm. So when you are above the clouds, you can see your city, right?
Uh, yes,
Yes, very good. That is very nice. So if you're going to ask me, I like to sleep under the stars. And because I think that it's very nice to experience, and I know that when you sleep under the stars, it's very relaxing, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so now let's have question and answers. Laura, try to answer in complete sentence, okay? Okay, so
Okay.
number 1, Laura, do you like reading?
Yes,
Why?
because I can learn everything in the book.
Because you can learn everything in a book. Okay, that is very nice answer. Because reading is a very good thing to do. It's an exercise to your brain. It gives you knowledge. Okay, very good. So, what kind of book do you like to read, Laura?
Um, mm, let's go to the space.
Let's go to the space. Oh, what is it all about?
About Earth, space, and the star in the sky.
Because you want to learn about the space and the sky.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next one, do you often go to the library?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what do you do there?
Read book.
You read books. Okay, so what day do you often go to the library?
On Sunday.
Okay, so you go to the library on Sunday. So
Yes.
where is that library, Laura? Is that in your school?
No, in the
Is it it's outside your school.
yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now number 3. Do you have to read a lot of books for school?
No,
No? Why? Why not?
because it's not yet.
Oh, it's not yet, or your teacher doesn't ask you to read a lot a lot of things in a book.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So number 4, Laura, do you like reading stories on the internet?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of stories do you want to read on the internet? Give me an example.
Mm, what?
Give me an example.
What?
Can you give me an example of stories that you read on the internet?
Um, I don't know that name.
But what is it all about? Tell me something about it.
About to the space too.
How about space too? Okay, very good. So you really like learning or reading about space. So
Yes.
maybe when you grow up you wanted to be an astronaut. Do you think so? You wanted to be an astronaut?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So number 5, do you or your parents read ebooks?
No.
Oh, ebooks. What do you mean by ebooks?
Uh,
It's a book that you read on the internet.
no.
You don't read?
No.
Oh, why?
Because I don't read that book.
Okay, you don't read that kind of book. Okay, so number 6. Do you like reading funny, sad, or exciting stories?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what? What do you like to read? Funny, sad,
Funny.
exciting.
Funny.
Funny. Okay, so give me an example of a funny story.
Doraemon.
Doraemon, okay. So, what is the most funny story about Doraemon that you remember?
Mm, it's one cat.
Hmm?
Um,
About one cat, okay?
one cat and one children
Mm-hmm.
is not good at is one children not good. His name is Nobita
Mm-hmm.
and he have three friends.
Okay, three
Three
friends.
friends is, and there is one girl and two boys.
Okay, and then what is the funniest thing about the Raymond?
Mm, Doraemon have many um
Many.
many things have Nobita good.
Everything that Nobita needs, Doraemon has it in his pocket, right? Okay, so
Yes.
number 7, Laura. Would you like to read a story about a famous or important person?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well, um, so you're not interested about a famous or important person. You just like reading about space and stars, right? Okay. So now, Laura, let's go to letter B activity. Read and choose the best answer. Okay. So example, hello, Jane. What are you reading? Answer is, okay, answer is letter B, a book about a boy and his boat. Okay, so let's go to question number 1. What did the boy do?
He sailed around the world.
He sailed around the world. Letter
A.
A. Very good. Number 2. Who gave you the book?
My my dad bought it.
Again,
My dad bought it.
letter.
C.
Yes, very good. Number 3. Do you like the book?
Yes. This is.
Yes,
Yes,
it.
I do.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Is it a very long book?
There are many pages.
What letter is that?
A.
Okay. There aren't many pages. Okay, next one. Can I read it after you?
Yes, okay.
Yes, okay, very good. All right, so 5 points for you. Okay, so now let's proceed to activity letter B again. Read and choose the best answer, okay? So your answers must be here, okay? Present, tired, downstairs, woman, buy, whales, swim, page, and raining. Okay. Okay, so um read the story, Laura, and then choose your answers from the pictures.
Last Thursday, Shane found about his doctor a preserve from a new bookshop in the town center. It was a story that Shane wanted to read about a woman.
About
Woman.
woman, okay.
who sailed throughout the world in a very small boat. Her name was Mary Bank, and she was only 22 point. It was a very exciting story. Mary saw whale and sat in the sea.
Saw whales. Okay.
Well,
Correct.
she
Next.
was often
She was often
by
tired.
tired, but she was never frightened. When Mary came home, a lot of people went to read about her. There was a website about Mary trip route, the work and story about her on the back page
Page. Okay.
of one of Jane's comic. Jane loved reading about Mary. Can we buy a book that?
Mm-hmm.
She asked. I want to sail around the world too. Jane father smiled. I think that's a great idea, Jane. But first you must learn to swim.
Swim. Okay. Very good. So you got only one mistake. Okay. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 5 points for you. Okay. So now, what do you think is the best name for the story, Laura?
Jane, no, wait. Learning about Mary.
Jane?
Learning about Mary.
Okay, very good. Learning about Mary. So you got a total of 6 points. Okay, so now let's proceed to activity letter D. Write a story write a story about a story and choose words. Okay, let's see what do we have here. So it says here, let's write some really short stories now. Okay, so okay, wait a minute. I will type your answers. So what do you think is the day? You choose a day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What do you like?
Friday.
Friday. Oh, that is a weekend. Okay. Now give me a boy's name.
Mm, check.
How do you spell that?
Mm, mm, wait.
Jeff? Ah, Jack. Okay. I heard Jeff. Okay. So it's Jack. Okay, now give me a name of a place.
Forest.
Forest. Okay, so the boy's name again is Jack. Okay, so where? Give me a place again.
Um, a farm.
It is in his, no, a place where you can put things.
Um, mm,
Oh, where do you think can you keep your things?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe we can say bag, right? Or
Yeah.
bedroom. Let's put bedroom. Okay, now give me a topic of a book.
It book about
About?
Jack.
No. Give me a topic of a book. You want about space? Okay,
Yes.
let's put space here. Okay, now let's put Jack again here. Okay, now let's put space again. And so give me a word here. He would like to
Like to go to the moon.
go to the moon. Okay, so now can you read your answers, Laura?
It's Friday and Jack is going to the forest. Jack
Mm-hmm.
has a new book. Is in his bedroom. His book is about space. Jack like reading book about space because one day he would like to go to the moon.
Okay, so very good. Your answer is very nice. It's Friday and Jack is going to the forest. Jack has got a new book. It's in his bedroom. His book is about space. Jack likes reading about space because one day he would like to go to the moon. Very good, Laura. Okay, I will give you a tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 points. Okay. So this is an example. Okay, I will read it. It's Saturday and Jack is going to the park. Jack has got a new book. It's in his bag. His book is about the moon. Jack likes reading about the moon because one day he would like to live there. So your answer is almost the same, right?
Yes.
Uh, his and the example is about a moon and then your answer is about space. So it's almost the same. So very good, Laura. Nice idea. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. It's letter E. Let's see. How well do you know your friend? Okay, read the questions. What are your friend's answers? Okay, so maybe I will ask these questions to you. Okay, Laura, and your answer must be all about yourself. Okay?
Okay.
So question number 1, Laura, are you frightened of spiders or are you
Yes.
afraid? Why?
Because it's so ugly.
It's so ugly.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what else? Give me another reason aside from being ugly.
The spider is so dirty.
It's dirty.
Yes.
Okay. So number 2, Laura. Do you often go and see your grandparents?
Yes.
When? When do you go, or what day do you usually go to your grandparents' house?
In the summer or in the new year.
In the new year? Okay, why? Where is your grandparents' house?
In in Nam Định.
In London?
No,
What?
Nam Định.
Mandan.
No.
Can you
Uh,
can you write it? Namdan.
Yes.
Ah, I heard London. Okay, so number 3. Have you got a book about aliens?
Mm, no. Oh
No.
yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
really? Oh, what is your book all about? Can you tell me something?
About alien in the where alien live. Um, do ha, do have alien in the world?
Mm-hmm. So it has an alien in the world. That's all about it. Your book is all about that.
Yes.
Okay, next. Do you enjoy going for long walks?
No.
Why? Do you easily
Because
get tired?
yes.
Oh, okay. So where do you usually have a long walk?
In the park.
In the park. Okay. So next one, number 5, is basketball your favorite sport?
No.
What's your favorite sport?
Badminton.
Badminton. Very good. So who plays with you when you play badminton?
My dad
Your dad. Okay. So where do you usually play badminton?
in the park.
In the park. Okay. Why? Is the park near your house, Laura?
Yes.
Oh, so when you go to the park, you just walk.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So next one. Did you get any text messages already yesterday?
No.
No. Next one. Would you like to learn another sport aside from badminton?
Um, yes.
What is it? What's that sport?
Badminton.
No, aside from badminton. What
Um,
other sport do you like to learn?
I like to learn tennis.
Tennis.
Yes.
Yeah, because tennis uses a ball, right?
Yes.
Okay. So next one. Can you ride the bike, Laura?
Yes.
So how big is your bike? Is it very tall?
Yes.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, maybe you call it a mountain bike because in English or in Filipino we call it a mountain bike when the bike is very high as a mountain. So how do you call that one in Vietnam? How do you call a tall
Sport.
bike?
Sport bike.
Again, again, again.
Sports bike.
Sports bike.
Yes.
Okay, such a nice term. Okay, next one. Would you like to have a pet snake?
No.
No? Oh, why? Why not?
Because I don't like animal.
You don't like animals.
Um,
Really?
yes.
Okay. So next one. Could you swim when you were 6?
Yes.
What how old are you when you start swimming?
5 years old.
5 years old. Very good. You know what? Teacher is already 30 years old, but I don't know how to swim. I'm
Oh.
scared. I'm scared of the sea, and I'm scared also of the swimming pool because I don't know how um to swim. Okay, so next one. Did you do any homework last weekend, Laura?
Yes.
Or what subject is that?
Mm, math, science, English, and, and many.
Okay, so it means that all of your subjects you have a homework to do.
Yes.
Okay, so next one. Are you hungry now?
No.
No? Oh, why? Are you full?
Yes.
Okay. So what did you eat for tonight?
Um. What?
What did you
Meat,
eat?
meat and soup.
Meat and soup. Okay, very good. Okay, so how about rice? Did you eat rice also?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So you ate rice, soup, and meat.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think we are finished with our activity and lesson for tonight, Laura. So let me remind you, Laura, okay? So we only got 6 more classes to go, okay?
Okay.
6 more classes to go before we end our session or our learning. Okay, but you can also tell your mom to call the center so that your class will be extended if you wanted to re-enroll again. Okay, Laura? Okay. So don't worry, I can message your mom later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Laura, and see you again on. Oh, wait a minute. I have to check my calendar. Okay, wait for me. So Wednesday's our next class, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, we can still learn on Wednesday, but on Friday, teacher is not going to have class because it's Christmas Day. Okay.
Okay.
So wait a minute. I will check again my calendar. So on Friday we don't have class, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But on Wednesday we can have 2 classes, okay? Next Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
Or on Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I can just send a message in Zalo so that your mom can be informed. Okay, Laura? Okay, so good night, Laura. See you again on Wednesday.
Good night,
Good
teacher.
night.
Bye.